Hello students, I am Bhaskar Rai. In this channel I have discussed already about some mathematical tricks in Bengali. Now I am discussing the same for you in English. Okay? These tricks will help you to solve problems quickly. So we will discuss tricks, methods, formulas, mathematical problems and geometrical part also. We can start. At first we are discussing about the multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay, here we write 35 into 25. How can you solve that? At first take the unit digits of both the numbers, means 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25. We write here 25 a 5 and hold in hand and keep 2 in hand. Okay, next cross multiplication means 3 into 5 15 and 2 into 5 10 and add these two. Okay, now the sum of 15 10 and 2 is 27. Now we can write 7 here and 2 in our hand, and now 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and add these 2 is equal to 8. So this is the multiplication. The multiplication of 35 and 25 is equal to 875. Now 92 and 85. At first 2 5s are 10, put here 0 and hold 1 in hand. Then 9 5s are 45 and 8 2s are 16. Add 1 16 and 45 is equal to 62. Put here 2 and keep 6 in our hand. Now 9 8s are 72 and add 6, it's 78. Okay, this is a very simple method. Try in your home and do as applicable. Now number 2. Here is a very easy process when we multiply any two-digit number with 11. 98 into 11. What can we do? At first sum of 9 and 8 is equal to 17. Okay, at the extreme right this is the unit digit of 98, so 8 we can put here 8, this 7 we can put here 7, and this 1 we can add it to 9. This means 9 plus 1 means 10. Here we put 10. So 1078 is the multiplication of 98 and 11. Okay, in the same way 27 and 11. 2 plus 7 means 9. This 20 unit digit of 27 is 7. We can put here 7. This 9 we can put here 9 and 2 in the extreme left. Okay, 297 is the multiplication of 27 and 11. Now number 3. 480 plus 995. In this kind of addition we can write 500 instead of 480 and 1000 instead of 995. This will be an easy process. Now 500 and 1000 is equal to 1500. We can take the difference from 480 and 500 is 20, and 995 and 1000 is 5. Now we can add 20 plus 5 means 25, and then 1500 minus 25 is equal to 1475. So it's a very simple process. Now number 4. A number whose 3 digits are same. If we divide this number by the sum of the digits of this number, we get the result 37. Okay, it means same digits 3 times. 666 means 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. Now 666 divided by 18 is equal to 37. Same way 333, sum of 3 digits is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now 3 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 9 is equal to 37. Number 5. If we write same digit 6 times successively, we get a number. Okay. We write 6 digits successively, then we get a number. That number must be divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13, 37 and 39. For example, 77777, 7,77,777 divided by 3 is equal to 2,59,259. You can try at your home at this same process. Okay. Now number 6. If we write 2 digits successively, now we write 2 digits successively for 3 times, means 121212, 595959, this kind of things. We get a number. This number must be divisible by 3, 7, 13, 37 and 39, but not like 11. In this way we can get that, but not divisible by 11 mentioning. Okay. Example 232323 divided by 3 means 77,441. Now number 7. Sum of successive multiples. Sum of successive multiples means sometimes you have to write, you have to solve a problem like this. Find a sum of 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, this kind of things. So here is a relation. Here is a relation between all those numbers. Those numbers are multiple of 5. So you can write these numbers as this way, as you add all these things, but this is a formula for solve this problem. Okay. Now this is the formula: first number plus last number into n by 2. N is equal to number of multiples. Okay. Means first number is 15 and last number is 45. So 15 plus 45 into 7 by 2. Here is 210. You can add all those numbers and you will get 210. Number 8. If the difference between square of two numbers is x, then the greater number is x plus 1 and the smaller number is x minus 1. Means x plus 1 by 2 and x minus 1 by 2. Okay. If the difference between two numbers is x, then the greater number is x plus 1 by 2 and the smaller number is x minus 1 by 2. If we assume x is equal to 7, then the greater number is 7 plus 1 by 2, means 8 by 2, that is 4, and smaller number is 7 minus 1 by 2, it means 3. Now we can recheck. 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. We assume here x is equal to 7. Okay. Now number 9. It is a very interesting process. Process to get square of a number. Now 43 whole square. How can we solve that? 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Now we can write 4 square and 3 square. 4 square means 16 and 3 square we have to write 09 instead of 9. Okay. Now we can add this 24 with 1609 in this manner. We can't write anything below the unit digit. From 10th digit we can write 24. Now we can add this, and this is the square of 43. This is another process to solve that. We know the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write some kind of these things here. Let a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So we can write a square means 4 square, 2ab 2 into 4 into 3, and b square means 3 square. Now 4 square means 16, 2 into 4 into 3 means 24, and 3 square is 9. Now we can write 9, can write 4 and add 2 with 16 means 18. This is the square of 43. You can use both of these processes. Now square of a number ends with 5. Ends with 5. If the unit digit of a number is 5, then it will much easier for us to find the square of this kind of numbers. Okay. Now 45 whole square. At first we take 5 whole square. Write here 5 square. Then take this 4, and after that we get 5. Means 4 into 5 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20, and 5 square is equal to 25. In this way 85 square means 5 whole square and 8. After that we get 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can 8 then 9. 8 9s are 72, and 5 square means 25. 72 to 5 is the square of 85. 25 square means 5 whole square and 2. After that we get 3 means 2 3s are 6, and 5 square means 25. Okay. You can try all these tricks. Okay. So students, there are for all of you. These are for, okay, these are for all of you. We will upload more videos. If you have got something from this video, then like it. If you had something to tell, then comment us. We will reply as soon as possible. Share it, subscribe it if you want to get next videos instantly. Okay, we will upload soon. That's it. Thank you.